Today we're making buttermilk fried chicken. First step is let's make our buttermilk marinade. So we'll be needing 1.5 cups of buttermilk, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, one-half tablespoon of salt, and black pepper. Okay, mix everything together. Next, I have here 750 grams of drumsticks. So these are 8 drumsticks to be exact. So pour in your marinade. Okay, then massage your chicken. Make sure that everything is well coated. Okay. Okay, after massaging, cover this and put it inside the refrigerator and leave it overnight to marinate. Now let's prepare our flour mixture. So this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And let's also add salt. And black pepper. And using a wire whisk, mix everything together. Okay, that should be good. Okay, next, our chicken has been marinating overnight. So put it beside your flour mixture and use one hand to pick up the chicken. Drain the excess buttermilk mixture and put it in the flour. Use your other hand to pick up the dry ingredients. Make sure everything is evenly coated. Okay. And shake off the excess. Okay. And set it aside. And do the same for the rest. Okay, in a pot, add about 1 inch of vegetable oil. Preheat to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, then you can put in your chicken. So make sure not to crowd the pot. Okay, so these have been frying for about 6 minutes on one side. Let's flip them over. Okay, after another 6 minutes on the other side, We're done. Let's start cooking the next batch. Now let's taste. Make sure before you serve it, you remove the excess oil so you can put it on top of paper towels so you can absorb the excess oil. So as you can see, the skin is really crunchy. So let's slice into that. Okay. Now it's also cooked all the way through. And it's still moist in the middle. Let's taste. Okay, the meat is really tasty. So this has been soaking overnight and it has absorbed all the flavor from the buttermilk mixture. And at the same time, the meat is still moist because it has taken a lot of the moisture as well. And make sure that when you cook it, you start with a high temperature because when you add the chicken to the oil, it will lower the temperature of the oil. And as you continue to cook, lower the temperature a bit to make sure that it doesn't burn the outer coating and the heat penetrates all the way through the meat. Okay, and we're done for the day.